How's everyone doing today? Well, I'm coming to you from a rainy garden today. It's raining, rained all last night. So it's gonna be a quick little video. It's an update on the Egyptian walking onions I planted 2 weeks ago. I just wanna show you guys how fast they grow and why they're probably one of the easiest things you'll ever grow in your garden. So if you guys saw the video from about 2 weeks ago that I planted the Egyptian walking onions, I've hardly even watered these. I've watered them once in the past 2 weeks, but look how much they're growing. So fast and easy. All the way down here as well. So I've got a few more bulbs here that I'm going to plant as well, just to show you as well. Look at this one, it's already starting to grow some green on it. Right there. Hopefully it's in focus. But that's how easy they are. You don't even have to plant them and they grow. So I'm going to pop these guys in quickly and then go work in the greenhouse where it's dry. I want to transplant some spinach into there, clean out the bed so that I have a fall crop of spinach. But there you go. Quick update on how well your Egyptian walking onions will grow, how they're so easy to do, and probably the easiest crop in your garden. So thanks for watching, guys. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening!